Once in a quiet suburban neighborhood, there lived an inventor named Greg and his curious son, Tommy. Greg was always tinkering in his garage, creating gadgets and novelties that fascinated and sometimes puzzled his neighbors. Tommy, on the other hand, had inherited his father's inventive spark, but none of his caution. One sunny Saturday, Greg decided to show Tommy a simple experiment he had learned as a kid. The plan was to create a small, harmless reaction with baking soda and vinegar inside a balloon. Greg carefully measured the ingredients: a spoonful of baking soda into the balloon and a quarter cup of vinegar into an empty bottle. He explained the science behind the reaction in great detail, emphasizing safety in small quantities. However, Tommy's youthful enthusiasm wasn't entirely on board with the small quantities part. While Greg went inside to fetch a funnel, Tommy's eyes wandered to a larger container of baking soda and a full bottle of vinegar sitting on the workbench. Imagining a bigger, better reaction, he decided to take matters into his own hands. He emptied the entire container of baking soda into the balloon, which was becoming increasingly heavy, and instead of pouring a quarter cup of vinegar, he filled the bottle completely. Moments later, Greg returned, funnel in hand, only to find Tommy struggling to attach the oversized, overfilled balloon to the mouth of the bottle. Before Greg could issue a warning, the mixture erupted violently. The garage was soon filled with a foamy, fizzing mess as the balloon rocketed off into the air, knocking over tools and drenching everything in sight. Covered in foam and staring at the chaotic scene, Greg couldn't help but laugh. Tommy, wide-eyed and dripping, joined in. It was a messy lesson, but a memorable one. From that day on, Tommy learned that when it came to science experiments, bigger isn't always better.